All right, guys, nice to have you. This is Fishhook. Today we have a restaurant review. We're going to be talking about the Catfish House in Springfield, Tennessee. As you can see, this is it. We're going to come in here today, me and Jack, and we're going to try some really cool appetizers. So come inside with us and we'll get a bite.
So we're looking at the appetizers right now, and the appetizers, ooh, I think, can you do fried pickles or not?
Oh, I can do them anytime.
Oh, fried pickles are awesome. Oh, I want to do a shrimp cocktail too.
Absolutely.
For sure. And I want to do a clam chowder bowl that we can try. That we'll have that with our dinner.
Yes.
Just stop
And
the
we
video.
will give you nice size cups. I like that.
Look at this selection. Beautiful. Okay. Can we start with, we're going to go with an order of fried pickles. On the other side, Catfish House specials, hamburger steak, grilled shrimp dinner, blackened filet dinner. Look at that. It's probably what we're getting.
That's what you were looking at.
Blackened filet, yeah. Grilled or blackened salmon. Ooh, that looks good.
Nice.
It's funny, there's no pictures, but it looks good. Isn't that crazy? So pause the video when you want to see anything on the menu. And there's your desserts and your beverages. On top of that, we're ordering tea, coffee, and soft drinks. We ordered an Arnold Palmer. They're making it with unsweetened tea. So you can make custom beverages if you want. They're really cool about that. And there's a little story, welcome to the Catfish House. Okay, now, once again, I'm a newbie with fishing, and you're the expert in my eyes, at least in my eyes. And I want to talk about catfish. On the line of fishes, it's more towards the bottom, right? It's kind of a bottom.
Yeah, that's absolutely. It's a scavenger. It feeds on the bottom of the lakes, and anything that's crawling near it, it's dinner.
What about that fish, that catfish that had a dog in its mouth? Have you seen that picture?
Oh, not a dog. It was a. If it's the one I sent you, it was the it's in what do you call it again? It's a hard-shelled
Turtle?
It is. I forget the name, but it's in Texas and it's in Florida.
They eat anything. They'll eat children.
Oh yeah, the back half of it was hanging out. I could not believe it.
Yeah, I saw one with a dog's head sticking out. I'm like, oh my gosh.
And a lot of other big fish too. They're predators.
Right.
And they scarf up a quick meal.
Would you say this is the number one eating fish?
Catfish
in
is
America?
Probably in America, yeah. It's the number one.
All you can eat catfish in nights are big. All right, cool. Okay, so when you sit down and after you're done ordering, they're really big on unlimited sides. And their sides, which we didn't order the hush puppies today. We held the hush puppies because none of us need the carbs, but we did. You got the fried okra, you've got the white beans, beautiful looking. And then you got the coleslaw, and they asked us if we wanted mayonnaise or vinegar. Never have I heard that in a restaurant. Have you ever heard that?
No, not asked that. That's good.
Hey, what do you got over there?
Oh, buddy. We got a stick to our theme shrimp cocktail.
Yep.
And we've got what did we order here? What is this? I
Pickles.
forgot what we
That's
ordered.
the
Oh, these are the fried pickles, correct. Love fried pickles. I'm thinking of circles.
Yeah, exactly. You're thinking.
Very nice.
I looked at that. I thought, is that calamari?
I know.
All right, so we got fried pickles and beautiful shrimp. What are you eating, dude? You just got all this food. Hold on, let's get a shot of all this in front of you.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, you're gonna try one of the pickles, fried pickles, because everybody wants to know how the fried pickles are.
Yeah, we've got. I believe this is Thousand Islands. It looks like that.
It's like probably is.
And this should be. Yeah, that's a ranch.
Okay,
Yeah, really nice.
It don't matter either way. They both work for me.
I love fried pickles. They don't look like fried pickles.
No, they're normally different.
Oh, this is very, very tasty.
Good.
Oh yeah, delicious.
You can't go wrong with fried pickles.
No.
Today's episode is brought to you by the letter J. That's a great letter. Okay, so what do you have there? The salmon?
Blackened salmon.
Right.
And this is farm-raised salmon.
Okay.
So we'll see. Very juicy. Nice.
Really?
I love blackened.
It's got a nice flake to it.
Oh, you can look at that. Is that not juicy or what?
Look at that. It's good, wonderful.
Yeah, this is like very good to the taste.
And
So what do you got over there?
I got a beautiful catfish that's been blackened. You can see it. I have some turnip greens too, but I'm gonna go for the catfish really quick. I'm gonna try that out. Look at the flakiness on that. Look how it just comes apart. I love that. The flakes everything when you're eating fish. So let's try this. There's a lot of seasoning on this. Ready? Wow, that's really good. Let's talk clam chowder. I know you're loving that salmon, dude.
Oh man, this is good.
I gotta get your take on the clam chowder. Now remember, bad clam chowder, you can always tell because there's tons of potatoes in bad clam chowder. They overdo it with the potatoes because it's cheap. And they give you little bits.
I don't even, tiny little potatoes.
Right.
But most of it, that's all clam. All right, we're gonna try this because I love clam chowder. Oh, nice flavor.
Wait, you forgot something. Pepper. You love pepper in your clam chowder.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Dude.
I should put it on there.
Dude.
Shame on me.
I'm surprised if, a viewer in like 2 minutes would tell us, oh, Charles forgot his pepper. He likes his pepper on.
Shame
There
on
you
me.
go. Look at how beautiful that is.
Oh yeah, it tastes good. I love peppers, right?
So how was it though?
Oh, very nice. It's not too thick. It's very nice broth. I like this. All right, and there's a lot of good pieces of clam in here.
I bet it's better now, huh?
Oh, the clam, the
can't-
black pepper spices it up.
Oh yeah, the black pepper, man, knocks it out of the ballpark.
You'll like this.
Okay, before we head on out, I got to get your feedback on this place. What do you got?
All right. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to put this at a 7, maybe an 8. The reason is the clam chowder. I like it a lot with more body, a little more thicker. When I think of a chowder, I think of, I'm going to chow down. I got to get my teeth into it. So that was a bit thin, but the blackened fish, I had the salmon, was as good as it gets. It was juicy. Jack had it as well, and I believe he liked it. And their catfish was excellent too. All the sides were good. We didn't have hush puppies. We had fried okra, and their coleslaw with vinegar was out of this world. That I like, and that's all homemade over here. So overall, it was good. I'm going to give it at the top end an 8 out of 10.
All right, so let me be honest with you because I'm always brutally honest. That wasn't great clam chowder. I've had way better. It didn't have a lot of potatoes, but it wasn't very flavorful, wasn't creamy and thick. So you guys, if you're watching this video and you work at Catfish House, you can always improve on that recipe. As for the blackened fish, you can't touch it. Don't touch it. It's perfect. So thank you so much for the seasoning you put on there. The blackening you did, it was amazing. So for the lack in the soup, we made up for the fish. And that's where we wanted. We came here for the fish. We didn't come here for the soup. But everything was wonderful. I love the fact that they offered me mayonnaise or vinegar coleslaw. Never in my life have I ever been asked. So they just normally give you what they got. All right. So that was it. So it is a good place. A definite place. Go there you can get the battered and the all you can eat catfish if you want. I think it's on Friday nights. But get here early because this place packs out. We're here nice and early. And we will see you on the next episode of Fish Hook. Take care.